Forest Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach out 20 nautical miles, St. Andrews Bay waterways, until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles northwest of Escambia Bay Bridge to 15 nautical miles west of Oriskany Reef, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Panama City Beach, Laguna Beach, Santa Rosa Beach, Sandestin, and Miramar Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.